This is your professor, Pat Hanahoe-Dosch. Welcome to your peer review workshop. I hope you all learned a lot from writing your drafts. Now our goal is for you to revise your drafts and make your essays even stronger and more effective and hopefully get a better grade. It's important to remember that these are just drafts. Every writer has to revise. Revision is the essence of the writing process for every writer. Even published writers who have won major awards have to revise over and over. Keep in mind that you are approaching each other's drafts as readers. It doesn't matter that you are new to this. You know what does or does not work for you as a reader. Please follow the handout giving you guidelines for peer review that I gave you in the learning module. Make sure you consider what we discussed in previous learning modules here about important elements like paragraph structure, essay structure, a strong, effective thesis, organization, development, and how to develop and structure a strong argument and analysis. Remember that cliches and fallacies weaken otherwise good writing. Make sure you point those out in your fellow students' drafts. Finally, be honest but kind. Treat your fellow students' drafts the same way you want yours treated. And remember that if you are not honest and pretend that everything in the draft is great when it isn't, you will be doing that person a grave disservice. You want to be able to revise your work and make your drafts into effective, strong essays. The feedback you get here in the workshop should help you with that, while also helping you learn more about how to revise and what to look for in your own writing. When you read through all the critiques after they are finished and turned into your group, keep in mind that not everything everyone wrote will be helpful. You will have to sift through it and decide for yourself what feedback to listen to when you revise and what you should put aside. We, your audience, don't know what exactly you are trying to accomplish in your essay. We can only guess from what we read. We only can look at what's actually in your draft, so we may read it differently from how you want us to understand it. It's important for you to know, though, that we didn't understand it the way you expected us to. Then you know how to revise it to help us get from it what you intended us to. It can be very uncomfortable to both give and receive criticism in a workshop. Keep in mind, this is all meant as constructive feedback and not personal. It's supposed to help you grow as a writer, as well as help you write the best essay you can. Don't forget to follow the instructions carefully on the guidelines for peer review. And let me know if you have any questions or problems. Take care.